Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use Name tool to name part panels, and it helps you to manage the panels better. First, for one-click components, for example, this cabinet, every one-click component has got a name already, so we can turn on Label in Properties. Go to Fitting and take Generate Label. For example, this part is kick, and this is the back panel. This is the end right panel. The top. But we can change the name. Select the tool, Name tool, and select the panel. Change the name. Hit OK. Next, for every component or panel that we create or take from other libraries, select the tool, Name tool, select the panel. It hasn't got a name, so now we name it. Hit OK. Then it's gonna be shown in the label. Now let's see how the names are shown in labels for printing. Here are the names of the part panels, for example, bottom, top, and left and right. So this is how we use Name tool to name part panels. For more tool instructions, see you in the next videos.